Oh hiya! I was about to have a look at some tuberous sclerosis patient cells. So put my gloves on. So I have a whole new series of different clinically approved drugs that we want to test. We think that they might work better than rapamycin. Let's go in the incubator. Just get the cells out. Have a look down the microscope. Do you fancy having a look? Okay, I can do that. This is a live movie of tumour cells that lack the tuberous sclerosis complex 2 gene. This movie has been speeded up to show you how the cells grow in just one day. As you can see, they move around a lot and they multiply very quickly. Of great interest, when we add a clinically approved drug called nalvidivir, the cells start moving around and they also die. Well, that drug seems to work very well. We don't quite know why it's working so well. This project's all about figuring out what's going on. We have other experiments in the lab. Kaylee in the lab, she wants to show you something now. Okay, thanks.
Okay, so what we have here are angiomyolipoma cells. So they're taken directly from the kidney tumour of a TS patient. As you can see that when we start to grow them in this jelly-like substance, they start to form tumours, just like we see in TS patients. And then what we could do is use this model to test different drugs out. So you can see that when we treat with nalvidivir, you can see if we just compare the tumour sizes, that growth is significantly reduced. So this is a really cheap and effective way that we can test out different compounds on TS patients.
As well as having dedicated research labs, we also have a clinical trials unit that works closely with tuberous sclerosis patients. This project will use new technologies at the forefront of genomics to determine how tumour cells from a tuberous sclerosis patient respond to drug treatment. Importantly, we will be able to explore current therapies such as rapamycin, as well as new and promising therapies that target and kill these tumour cells, while normal undiseased cells are able to tolerate treatment.